how he's coping.
I'm sure he does either. I liked your speech.
Shut up to my ex. You're really quite the man.
Cheers. I am this close to exploding.
Hey, it's not long now, mate.
I'm not drowning in forced sympathy. I'm getting loads of filthy looks from the Tinker clan.
Hey, chin up.
All I want is to go home.
So what if I don't believe in God? It's not a crime?
Well, I'm a very spiritual person. I've always believed in God. You can't fake faith.
What are you looking at me like that for?
I just don't know where we go from here.
You know, when me and Sinead were together, I was always so scared that she was going to leave me. Now she's gone. Sorry.
Hey, it's okay. Good. Because I'm so tired of making other people feel better about not being there, about not seeing her, not calling, not texting. So don't look at me to wash away the guilt. Don't expect me to tell you that it didn't matter. Don't expect me to tell you that you're actually a good person, really.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. You are a good person. I know that.
Listen up, everyone. I know this is sad, but it's doing me head in.
What's she doing?
Hang on, just leave her a minute.
Sinead was like sunshine in our lives. And look at us. We're all miserable. I don't think that's what she'd want. So smile, eh? Turn it up, Johnny. Think of the good times. Think of Sinead. Sinead!
Sinead!